Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sell baby Doge on Trust Wallet. But first, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. So to start, go to your favorite web browser and then search for how to sell baby Doge on Trust Wallet. Now just tap on search. And then we can see right here the step-by-step process. Just follow the simple steps. First, open your Binance. And then, go to your Binance wallet. After that, choose Deposit. And then, select Doge or DOGE. And then, open the Trust Wallet app. Select DOGE and then press Send. Scan the QR code or copy the address, and then enter the amount. After that, confirm and send. That's it! If you have a question in this video, don't forget to leave a comment on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.